back to my channel. My name is Aayush and today I'll be answering some of your questions. Yes, that was my new intro which you just saw. I told you earlier that I was going to change my intro because it's there since the beginning of my channel and I thought I could make a better one. So what could be better than my drawings? I really love the new intro. Do share your opinions down below in comment section. Did you like it or not? So that was about the intro, and about the last week I told you earlier that I would not be able to draw and upload any videos just for the last week because I was out of town. But again I'm back and we will continue drawing and making videos, drawing tutorials once again. So like you all know, we always have a Q&A session at the beginning of every month. So that's why we are starting with a Q&A session which will be carried by a special drawing for reaching 30k subscribers on YouTube, which will be coming this weekend. I'm already excited to draw it. So this week is going to be a lot of fun, and without wasting any more time, let's answer your questions. So our first question is, at which shop do you buy your supplies? Please answer my question, Ayush. Alright, I'm answering your question. I buy all my art supplies from, actually most of my art supplies from a shop named Mango. It's an art store which sells all the materials related to art. So most of the times I buy my art supplies from the shop, but there are some times when they don't have the materials which I need or they don't keep it. So that's why I order those materials from Amazon. For example, I bought this Prismacolor pencil set of 72 color pencils from Amazon because they didn't have these color pencils at that time with them. So yeah, most of the times I buy my supplies from a shop, a retail shop named as Mango, but it's not necessary that you have to buy it from the Mango shop. Any art store would work, but if you don't get your materials in the shop, you can always approach Amazon and you will definitely get it there. So that was the answer of our first question. That was quite long. Let's move on to our next question, and we have, did you go to drawing school? No, I didn't go to any drawing school because if I did, then I would not be drawing like I do currently. In drawing schools or in drawing courses, they teach you how to draw step by step using the proper guidelines. And earlier I never used any guidelines to draw my drawings. If you see my older videos, I just used to start drawing and without any guidelines, and I always try to draw it as good as I can. But after a point I came across with this box technique of drawing. I tried it and it worked really well for me, so I continued drawing with this box method, which I'm still using to draw my drawings. So yes, I never went to any drawing school. You can say I'm a self-taught artist. Moving on to our next question, which is, are touchsoft markers colors similar to the Copic marker colors? So I have used both of the markers, touchsoft and Copic. They both are alcohol based markers, so there are similarities, but also there are some differentiations in both of them. So first of all, the touch markers which I have now, they have the bullet nib, not the brush nib. Earlier, before using Copic markers, I thought the nibs which are in touch markers, which are actually bullet nib, but they were quite softer than the normal bullet tips. But now I know the touch markers I had, they had bullet nibs, but not the brush tips. You also get the touch markers with the brush tip, but they are almost as expensive as Copic. Some of the differences between them are, first of all, the color classification. Now color classification in Copic markers is very organized as compared to touchsoft markers. Second difference is their shapes, sizes and color are different, but overall there are more similarities as compared to the differences between them. So especially for beginners, I would definitely recommend touchsoft markers because you get them in less prices with the bullet nib, but you can still use them and make really good drawings with them. Alright, moving on to our next question. We have which is your favorite character in Boku no Hero, Naruto, Boruto and Dragon Ball Super? Okay, for Boku no Hero, Shoto Todoroki, and for Naruto, Itachi, and in Boruto, Sarada, and Dragon Ball Super, of course, Vegeta. Okay, next question we have, will you do any collaborations in the future? Um, yes, why not? If we get opportunity in future, then why not? I would love to do it. Okay, next question we have, any tips on anime drawings? Okay, I would say three things. First is keep patience always. Second, never get afraid or scared of ruining your drawing. If you're afraid of ruining your sketches, you will stop yourself, you will limit yourself, and you will not grow. So take risks and never be afraid of experimenting and trying out new things. And the third most important thing is draw what you love, which you really enjoy, and never think about growth. It comes automatically if you really enjoy. Alright, next question we have, will you draw some different anime except Naruto, AOT, DBS, Boku no Hero in the future? Yes, definitely. Currently I'm watching a lot more animes which I did not earlier, like I watched Noragami, I saw Seven Deadly Sins, and I'm gonna watch more and more animes, and definitely I will draw them in future very soon. Next question we have, what do you think about realistic art? Would you try this style sometime later? Yes, definitely I would try that too, but not anytime sooner, but later on I would definitely try. I don't want to limit myself to only anime drawings, so that's why I will definitely try this realistic drawings or landscape drawings, and also I was planning to try drawings of Marvel characters. So yes, I will try realistic drawings and also other types of drawings too. Did you ever at one point want to quit drawing? Okay, very good question. First of all, yes, I did. I did quit drawing in past. Since the childhood, I always loved drawing and I drew a lot. But I remember in 8th grade, I quit drawing. I used to draw a lot of anime drawings, especially Dragon Ball Z drawings. But after 8th grade I stopped drawing. Suddenly I don't know why I started losing interest in drawing, and I started gaining other interests like playing guitar, playing video games, playing football. I guess in growing age interests can change a lot by time, but somewhere inside I always felt bad that why I'm not enjoying drawing anymore and why it is not why my interest had decreased. So after 4 to 5 years of gap, I again gave it a shot and tried drawing anime characters. Started with Naruto drawings. When I had stopped drawing, I left a drawing incomplete, and when I started again, I tried to complete the same drawing which I left incomplete 4 to 5 years back. I still have the drawing. I'll show you. This was the drawing. No, there is no video on it because it is way before when I started making videos on YouTube. So I left this drawing incomplete, and when I started back again, I started with this one. I thought let's complete, let's at least complete the same drawing which I left incomplete. So I completed this drawing and I was so happy with the results. I was amazed, I was shocked, and I enjoyed a lot. So then I continued drawing and kept drawing. Since then I am still drawing. This drawing is still one of my favorites. I laminated it after completing it because I knew it would get dirty and it might get torn. So that's why it's still in good shape now. I tried to draw some moments of Obito. I only use pencils for drawing this, and I still love it. It's still one of my favorites. I'll show it to you again. I hope you can see it correctly. So this drawing was my comeback drawing. I enjoyed it so much that I kept drawing since then. I'll put a good picture of this drawing at the end of the video so that you can see it clearly, and I found a lost interest. So yes, I did quit drawing for about 4 to 5 years. Alright, moving on to our next question. We have, do you like work as animator or are you animator? Okay, I would not say animator exactly, but if we say more precisely, I'm an anime artist now. And yes, I enjoyed a lot. I love my job. It's not even a job, it's my hobby. And yes, I love to do it. Next question we have. My question is, will you ever be coloring with the Prismacolor on a tone tan paper again? Yes, I will definitely. I know I started it and I drew only one drawing on it, but after that, lots of things happened. I bought new colors and I kept drawing with them. But yes, definitely I will come back again on tone tan paper with Prismacolor pencils very soon. And the final question of Q&A we have. How do you always be kind with everyone, even if there are haters of you? Okay, that's a very good question. So everyone knows haters are always there for everyone, for every YouTuber in fact, no matter what type of content they are giving, but there will always be haters. But I personally feel that you should never let yourself get affected by people who are hating you without any reason. And there are a lot more people who love my work, who enjoy my videos, which means a lot to me, and that's all I need to get happy. There is no harm in being kind to people, even if they are haters. In fact, that will help you to stay positive. So that was the Q&A, guys. You all asked really good questions this time, and I enjoyed a lot answering them. I hope you enjoyed the video too. If you did, then drop a like and do share your views down below in comment section, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, because there are a lot more awesome drawing tutorials, speed drawings, Q&As coming up in future, so that you don't miss any of my future videos. You can even ring the bell to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Aayush Pencilart to get my latest drawing updates. I'll be also sharing the links down below, so go check them out. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video, which is a special drawing video for reaching 30k subscribers. So I'll see you then. Bye bye.